My name is Idamir Leon. I am 34 years old. I live in Monteria, Córdoba. I live with my husband and children. I am Colombian and I speak Spanish. I am primary school teacher. I am psychology student. In my free time, I practice soccer. On my last vacation, I visited my mom and I went to the farm. On my next vacation, I am planning to go to the beach. My hobbies are listening to music, reading and playing with my children. Recipe: buñuelos de choclo. Ingredients: 300 grams sweet corn, sugar to taste, salty to taste, suero, parsley. For this use oil. Instruction: 1. To be vegan wet, trans and grind the corn. 2. Second, for this recipe, take a quantity of the mixture. Add sugar and salty cheese to taste. 3. My oil in a pan, put a quarter part of the mix with the 8 teaspoon and then fry it for over 2 minutes. 4. Next, when the buñuelos are fried, remove them from the pan with the spoon and put them on a plate. 5. Then, divide the cheese into small squares. On decorate the suero with parsley. 6. Finally, serve the buñuelos with cheese and suero. Thank you.